Verbs in English Lesson 7 to 9.
Color. Color the picture. Look. Look at the sky. Say. Say hello. Trace. Trace the letter. Start. Start the race. Finish. Finish the race. Write. Write a letter. Have. Have breakfast. Circle. Circle the dot. Draw. Draw a picture. Connect. Connect the symbols. Match. Match the words.
Cross. Cross the word. Join. Join the shapes. Find. Find the paragraph. Sing. Sing the song. Point. Point to the plant. Know. Know the alphabet. String. String the bulbs. Fill. Fill in the blanks. Copy. Copy the answer.
Count. Count the numbers. Cut. Cut a paper. Paste. Paste the sticker. Name. Name the members. Use. Use the pencil. Make. Make tea. Talk. Talk to our friends. Complete. Complete the question. Follow. Follow the directions. Build. Build your home.
Label. Label each item. Create. Create a puppet. Put. Put a pen. Meet. Meet the principal. Do. Do homework.
Live.
Live in a city. Give. Give alms. Remember. Remember the pattern. Change. Change the nappy. Study. Study English. Read. Read the newspaper. Fold. Fold the paper. Choose. Choose the option. Unscramble. Unscrambled the sentence. Get up. Get up in the morning. Brush. Brush your teeth. Wash. Wash your face. Clean. Clean the room. Eat. Eat lunch. Drink. Drink water.
Go. Go to work. Play. Play football. Climb. Climb the mountain. See. See a dream. Hear. Hear the noise. Smell. Smell the meat. Taste. Taste the beef. Feel. Feel the pain. Dance. Dance at the party. Waste. Don't waste your time.
Throw. Don't throw litter. Pack. Pack your food. Love. Love the nature. Plant. Plant a tree daily. Protect. Protect the environment. Obey. Obey your teacher. Share. Share your drink. Speak. Speak in English. Avoid. Avoid fast food. Arrange. Arrange your bed. Run. Run a marathon.
Fly. Fly a beautiful kite. Catch. Catch a baseball. Kick. Kick the toys. Bounce. Bounce the basketball. Come. Come to school. Hop. Hop over the puddle. Bark. Bark at the cat. Swim. Swim in the sea. Like. Like fresh fruits. Put up. Put up a playhouse.
Turn. Turn the knob. Decorate. Decorate the Christmas tree. Visit. Visit your relatives. Offer. Offer some flowers. Collect. Collect lots of stamps. Sweep. Sweep the garden. Play. Play the guitar. Celebrate. Celebrate Christmas happily. Cycle. Cycle around the park. Work. Work at a bank.